What's up, guys? If you're new to this channel and you want to see more content around real estate in Southern California and real estate investing in general, go hit that subscribe button, like this video. Let's go. In today's video, we're going to be learning actually what are jumbo loans. At what price point do they kick in? What are the requirements for your credit score or debt to income ratio to meet that jumbo loan standard? And stick around to the end to find out how much money you need in order to buy a $1.4 million fourplex. How much do you think? Leave it in the comments. The Federal Finance Housing Agency collects housing market data from across the US and evaluates each region to determine the Housing Price Index, or HPI. And from that point, they determine what's known as conforming loan limits. This year, those limits were raised by 6.8%, which was the first time it's been done since 2005. Naturally, borrower eligibility for jumbo loans are much more strict. Typically, homes purchased with a jumbo loan require 2 appraisals as opposed to just 1 with most conventional or other loan types. A 15, 20, or even 30% down payment are generally required with these jumbo loans. A higher down payment receives a lower interest rate. Lenders figure the more a buyer has invested in a property from the start, the less likely they're going to end up in foreclosure. Now, the requirements for jumbos are obviously more strict, like I mentioned earlier. The credit score is going to need to be at least 700. Your debt to income ratio will need to be 43% or less, and you're going to need at least 6 to 12 months of cash reserves in your account, just showing you can survive month to month. Now, seeing these conforming loan limits go up recently are a really good sign for the market because it reflects the government's confidence in our market's health. And in San Diego, job recovery has been stronger than the rest of California and most of the nation, which also bodes well for our continued strength in the housing market. All right, now for the example I mentioned earlier. So let's say you want to get rid of your monthly rent payment. I'm right there with you. So let's go out and get you a property. But let's utilize these FHA loans that we've talked about have now raised 6.8% with the limits that they've been given, so the conforming loan limits. So right now you can go out and get a 4-unit property for $1.4 million for only 49 grand. So $49,000 down, you've got your own unit, you've got 3 other units that you're renting out, and so now you're living for free and you're probably cash flowing from those other people paying your mortgage down. That's how you exit the rat race. That's how you become wealthy. Let's talk about it. DM me. Let's get started.